Hello, I am AI anchor Sana. You are watching Aaj Tak AI. Let's have a look at the AI and tech update. Google is reportedly planning to rebrand its AI chatbot bar to Gemini, similar to Microsoft's Copilot. The update will be released on 7th February, and the name will be swapped for Gemini. This aligns with Google's plan to integrate its LLM model Gemini across products. Gemini is the AI model behind Bard, so Google might be pushing its AI model Gemini altogether. Google may also introduce a paid advanced tier powered by Gemini Ultra, offering enhanced multimodal capabilities, improved coding support, and greater depth exploration and analysis of files and documents. Gemini will also expand its reach to include Canada, marking its first availability in that country since its initial launch. Google launched its LLM Gemini last year, which includes 3 versions: Gemini Nano, Gemini Pro, and Gemini Ultra. The LLM model is capable of performing complex tasks like logical reasoning, coding, following nuanced instructions, and creative collaboration. Google is also planning to launch a dedicated Gemini app for smartphone users, which will work with other Google services like Gmail, Maps, and YouTube. Gemini will support more languages, including Japanese, Korean, and English, in most parts of the world. Apple CEO Tim Cook has confirmed that the company plans to add generative AI features to its iPhone and other products later this year. Despite the hottest buzzword in tech, generative AI has not been openly discussed by Apple for months. However, the popularity of ChatGPT has led to companies like Google, Adobe, Nvidia, and Qualcomm promoting their products built on AI as the foundation. Apple's biggest rival, Samsung, has marketed its Galaxy S24 as AI phones to stay ahead of Cupertino. Experts predict that Apple will showcase advanced generative AI features with iOS 18, a new version of its mobile operating system that powers the iPhone. Apple is one of the few companies with the resources to invest in generative AI, but it is likely to do things differently. Apple's most advanced large language model, LLM, has been trained on over 200 billion parameters, and its machine learning research team has released a framework called MLX to build foundation models designed to run on its chips and possibly bring generative AI apps to MacBooks. An AI model has learned to recognize words like crib and ball by studying headcam recordings of a single baby's life. This suggests that AI can help understand how humans learn, as other language learning models like ChatGPT learn on billions of data points, which is not comparable to real-world experiences of an infant. The study, published in Science, aims to feed into debates about how children learn language. The AI learned by building associations between images and words, challenging some cognitive science theories that babies need innate knowledge about language. Researchers have developed an AI model that can predict which images certain words refer to. The model, trained on 61 hours of recordings from a baby boy named Sam, was exposed to 250,000 words and images during activities like playing, reading, and eating. The model used contrastive learning to learn which images and text tend to go together. The model successfully classified objects 62% of the time, much better than the 25% expected by chance. AI model successfully identified unseen examples 35% of the time. The AI was better at identifying objects out of context when they occurred frequently in the training data and those that very little in appearance. A study involving a single child's data suggests that language acquisition can be learned in infants' earliest days through associations between different sensory sources. The findings challenge the belief that language acquisition is too complex and information sparse for general learning processes. The AI, limited to training on still images and written text, struggled to learn the word hand due to its lack of experience with real babies. Further refinements could lead to advancements in cognitive sciences. ChatGPT, an AI chatbot launched by OpenAI in 2022, uses analytics and predictive intelligence to understand user questions. With over 100 million active users per week and 180.5 million monthly users, it generates written content, answers questions, provides explanations, assists with coding, and translations. ChatGPT is gaining popularity. Now allow us to examine a few of its rivals. Microsoft Bing. This AI chatbot was created by Microsoft, uses an enhanced version of ChatGPT, formerly known as Prometheus before being renamed GPT-4. The Bing app provides a lot of interesting features, like widgets and chat history, in addition to the chat mode. It can also understand picture data and respond appropriately. Google Bard AI. Google's Bard AI is a conversational AI chatbot, powered by the latest Palm 2 LLM, which allows users to upload photos for analysis and supports various extensions to enhance the user knowledge. CatSonic. CatSonic uses integrated Google search to find accurate answers to questions, providing links for users to double-check facts. It also features a built-in image generator for fast output, allowing for efficient communication. Claude 2. Anthropic has developed an upgraded AI chatbot, Claude 2, with Google's support. Unlike the traditional LLM model, Claude 2 uses proprietary AI techniques like neural networks and training data, focusing on natural and honest conversation. Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI, a website that merges search engine and AI, was initially tested on OpenAI's API. It generates texts, replies, and sorts chats using different threads. The OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 11 are set to introduce generative AI features to compete with Samsung's Galaxy S24 series. The OnePlus 12 has top-end hardware, including Snapdragon's 8th Generation 3, and is rolling out an update to bring these features to its Color OS in China. The update includes an AI summarizer, which generates call summaries and other key information from phone calls. It also offers a tool to erase objects from pictures, similar to Google Pixel's Magic Eraser. Additionally, the OnePlus 11 and OnePlus 12 have an upgrade to Brino Touch, allowing the phone to recognize on-screen content and provide contextual suggestions. The AI trend is expected to continue in the smartphone industry. OnePlus is set to introduce new features to its devices, including Oxygen OS, which it ships in the US and India. The inclusion of these features could help OnePlus better compete in China and globally. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.